Good morning, Candy. Just now received your container from Durmapress. We received one shredding machine and one bending machine, and these are the machines just now received the container. We removed the first one, and bending is the inside one. Machine are in same condition that you informed us. I want to thank you, thank your company, thank your support for all this. And we will install today in our Al Halabi kitchen equipment factory in Oman, Muscat. Many thanks for you and for your machineries. Thank you.